Hey everybody, how we doing? Saturday evening, the 17th of October. I thought I would do a trade idea for you guys, mark up the chart and basically just, give you an idea of what I see. So, EURGBP. I'm going to start just by marking our low. Like so. And then I'm going to mark a high. So, now we've trapped the market with our floor or support. So this is our ceiling or resistance. And this is our floor, also known as support. Okay, and now, so the first thing I see, the prices are way up here at the moment, I'm going to take a trend line and I'm going to go from the high down to the low. Like that. Just extend that out a bit. Okay. So now we've had 1, 2, 3 touches to our trend line, okay, and slight rejections. See how the wick has gone up, tested our trend line, and then it's pulled away. This is the daily time frame, and of course, just like support and resistance isn't an exact line, it's not with trend lines either. So you've got a bit of a buffer. So we're going to do that. Like so. So now, what we're looking for? We're looking for price to either continue up, whoops, we test our trend line and then head up, breaking, whoops, breaking this previous high here. Or, of course, it could come down and interact with our trend line some more until it gets down here, and then it's got another decision to make. It's either going to come down, test here and continue lower, or it will go up, but it has to break this trend line before it can go up. Now, this is on the daily time frame, as we said. get rid of some of these crosses. Right. If we now go down to a lower time frame, we can now see price has rejected this area, and we now have our bearish candle moving away from our trend line. Let's go to our 1 hour. So now we can see that we've had a test, but it's been going sideways a bit. It came down a little, but it's gone sideways. So the last 3 hours is pretty much just chugged along. So what you want to see is a strong move down before you enter your trade. Stop loss above here. If we have a look for additional confirmations, if you would like some, we can see that price is within our Bollinger Bands and price is overbought and it's starting to turn, which again is another indicator that price is expected down. Now if you use the stochastics as well, so the stochastics are starting to cross, but they lag more than the RSI, but we can see we're starting to get that move around. So we can see if we have them separate, it's just beginning to turn. The RSI has already started to turn, so looking good, but obviously we don't know where the market will open or where it will open tomorrow evening. One final confirmation: the harmonic scanner on the 4-hour time frame, EURGBP. So what we're trading is actually a shark pattern, and we can see that it's calling a sell, just like we're calling a sell off our trend line. There's our entry. Our take profit 1 is 0.88098. So 0.88098. I'll go to our coordinates. 0.88098, was it? Looks about right. There's your take profit 1. Hope you found that useful, guys. As usual, questions, comments, let me know. If you did find it useful, please help by sharing and liking, and let's get as many people as possible trading with simplicity, with channels, trend lines and support and resistance. Take care and have a great weekend.